Need to know how to wash Hey Dude shoes and get them perfectly clean? This video provides you a step-by-step guide on how to wash and clean Hey Dude shoes, including specific tips for cleaning white Hey Dude shoes. Before starting the cleaning process, gather the necessary supplies. Mild detergent or shoe cleaner. Soft bristled brush or cloth. Lukewarm water. And optional, baking soda or vinegar for tougher stains. Begin by removing the laces and insoles from your Hey Dude shoes. This will allow you to clean them more thoroughly and prevent damage during the washing process. For minor stains or localized dirt, spot cleaning may be sufficient. Dampen a soft bristled brush or cloth with lukewarm water and gently scrub the affected areas with mild detergent or shoe cleaner. For tougher stains, you can create a paste using baking soda and water or use a small amount of vinegar diluted in water. Fill a basin or sink with lukewarm water and add a small amount of mild detergent. Dip the soft bristled brush or cloth into the soapy water and gently scrub the exterior of the shoes, focusing on areas with stains or dirt buildup. Rinse the shoes thoroughly with clean water to remove any soap residue. If your Hey Dude shoes are machine washable, place them in a mesh laundry bag to protect them during the washing process. Use a gentle cycle with cold water and a small amount of mild detergent. Avoid using bleach or harsh chemicals as they can damage the material of the shoes. Once the washing cycle is complete, remove the shoes from the laundry bag and let them air dry naturally. After washing, reshape your Hey Dude shoes and stuff them with paper towels or cloth to help them retain their shape as they dry. Avoid using a dryer or placing the shoes near direct heat sources, as this can cause damage to the material. Once the shoes are completely dry, reinsert the insoles and laces and they're ready to wear again. For white Hey Dude shoes, extra care may be needed to maintain their brightness. Use a mixture of mild detergent and water to gently scrub the shoes, paying close attention to any stains or discoloration. Avoid using harsh chemicals or bleach as they can damage the white material of the shoes. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more tips on shoe care and maintenance, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.